These ants, possibly of the genus Anonicomyrma, are toiling over the remains of a hopper bug. A carcass like this could provide precious protein for their growing young. Time is critical here, as rival colonies may be attracted to the gathering. One group they won't have to worry about, however, are these vampire ants I spotted under some leaves. They are subterranean specialists, and it isn't in their behaviour to meddle with above-ground colonies. Nearby, hidden in a tangle of fallen bark, a large leaf-footed bug of the genus Amorbus lies motionless. Leaf-footed bugs are herbivores, and using their needle-like mouthparts, they drink the sap out of plants. This genus loves the young shoots of gum trees.